Discussion, debate, deliberation. This is what the case method does.
Combine the rigor of academia with consequential decisions. Force students to be in the shoes of a leader. Wrestle with incomplete information, competing priorities, moral dilemmas. To learn, to think, to judge, to lead.
But we also want to do it with respect for the rights, differences, and dignity of others, honesty and integrity, and personal accountability.
We believe that leaders are made, not born. Anyone and everyone in this room is a leader.
Everyone is equal part anxious and thrilled and excited. If you lean in, listen and learn from one another, invest in this community, and ask for help when you need it, you will do just fine.
You're going to do a lot of cases. You are now actually writing your own case of your career. We are very excited to watch you write it, not just here, but in the many years to come.
My biggest hope for you guys is really simple, that you realize and believe that you truly belong here.
And I also want to personally thank every single person who helped you get here.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? We're gonna get started.